Right, the lighting is shocking because it's really dark. I tried the light on here, but the quality goes really badly on the phone if there is not enough light, so I do apologize. But yeah, buongiorno beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to, you guessed it, the gym. Oops, little bump. I have actually bought a new sort of microphone set to plug it to the phone, so hopefully I will be able to vlog at the gym and bring you along to my deadlift workout. I have absolutely no idea where it's gonna work. It's also peak time at the gym, so I'm hoping that number one, you'll be able to hear me, and number two, I won't, you know, make anyone mad around me for vlogging. I mean, usually they don't mind, but you know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. Hopefully it's going to be a good vlog. Hopefully the sound is going to be good. I won't need to put any captions, and most importantly, you'll be able to see me absolutely dying because it's a very heavy day. And the last time I did deadlifts, I actually injured my back. That was last week. Well, I further injured my back because it was already not great. So yeah, we shall see. I'm really excited for this. I'm so excited that I'm shaking. Look at that. That's bad. So yeah, let's get to the gym. Fingers crossed that everything works, and enjoy. You might not hear anything, so we shall see. So I'm gonna warm up now. I feel very weird talking to myself. We're gonna do a bit of upper body warm up. Of course, the back. So yeah, I have no idea whether it's working or not.
Can you listen to it back?
Yeah, I will after I warm up. If not, I'm just gonna like speed up this bit.
Do you set it up so it works like with a normal camera instead of?
You can as well. So now I've got it attached to the phone.
Yeah.
But for example, when I'm like gonna film the comps, then I'm gonna attach it to the camera. So then I can attach it to him, and even if it's like far away, I can hear what he's saying. And I'm gonna be like a detective, like, ooh.
Mean things is he telling everyone?
Literally, who is he talking behind whose back? We're gonna do side ones to open the hip. Oh, wow. So I forgot a short resistance band. So this is to activate the glutes so that when you deadlift, hopefully you'll be able to recruit them more because you can feel them. Okay, so we're gonna do pyramid loads, and we're gonna do them slowly but surely, because last time I rushed, and I think that's how I hurt myself. We're gonna do regular deadlift, but a good way to start off the warm-up is to do Romanian deadlifts with explosion on the way up. And this is again to ensure that you recruit well the glutes. Let's get some weights. So another thing is that because on the conventional deadlift I use this grip, the alternative grip, with my right hand facing out, I warm up all the sets of the pyramid load warm up. I invert it, so I'm trying to sort of avoid imbalances, if it makes sense. I could have probably left the 10 here. Oh well. Okay, I forgot. See, that's me forgetting stuff all the time. So one of the great things about powerlifting is that you have to have appropriate shoe wear, footwear. So you have to change your shoes literally 3 times. So now I'm gonna look like an equestrian lady, basically. To be fair, these socks are to avoid having blood on the bar if you hit your shins, but it's only really if you have shorts. So I use it
so I don't ruin the leggings with the knurling of the bar. So we're gonna go up to 117 today. Now we're 80, so I'm gonna put a belt to prevent injury.
Slightly wider start. Slightly wider start. There you go. There. Get your leg involved.
Hang on. No. Like that?
Yeah, that's good. Get your legs involved. Yep. Again, raise. Yeah, I do ya.
Huh?
That's back pain.
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully.
Leg and arm. There we go.
And dizziness. Woo. Right.
I would have gone for you going for 117 today.
Yeah. For 5.
5.
Yeah. Top set.
You rest, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit down for like 10 minutes, like a proper powerlifter.
Running.
Hang on. The bar is not cooperating today. There was definitely some backgrounding there.
Huh?
Backgrounding.
Fine, just keep your lats squeezed. You're okay.
So now we have what is called a back down set of 100 kilos, which I have to change this, and we have 3 sets. Still 5 reps. Okay, now we have that. Pendlay rows. We're gonna do 3 sets of 8. Pendlay rows, 50 kilos to work out the back and make sure we're nice and strong, which directly also helps with deadlift. So, what I do is engage the lats back like that, so that then I can just row the bar to my belly button. I just realized that the reason why it was shifty is because I did 10 reps instead of 8. Because I have ADHD and I can't count. Right, gonna do 8 reps this time. There you go. Right, so the important thing here is to think that you're driving your elbows to the side, to your side. So hopefully that helps. And it's fine to stretch the lats and the back up as long as you don't like overarch down. So it's like elbows down and that little stretch, elbows down. Breathe out. last left, my left arm can't do it. There. Right, so now we have lying hamstring curls. Because I usually do on the other machine, I don't know how much weight I have to put on, because obviously the resistance is different when you're using cables versus a, what's the word? Lever system, I assume. So we're gonna do 3 sets of 12. I'm gonna start with 15 each side. There you go. 15 each side. Let's see how it goes. And if not, we will change it. And here the trick is to keep the pelvis down and not like put the bum up as you curl. Oh no, it's way too easy. Okay, let's do 20 each side. Ooh, okay. That was hard. Was it doable for another 2 sets? I'm gonna bite the bullet and put 17.5 each side, because I feel like that's borderline too much towards ARP 8 than 7, whereas I need an in between. And as well, make sure that you're not just letting the weight go down by gravity. Like, still resist it a little bit. Because if you just let go, you lose that tension and you lose that opportunity to still work the muscle. So yeah, both ways it should be controlled. Explosive on the way up, using really the hamstrings without, again, curving your butt, but then still controlled all the way down. So another important thing when you do anything is core workout, which is not the same as ab workout. It's different. The core is to stabilize yourself and make sure that you do things like squats and deadlifts with that tension in your tummy. I'm fully vlogging here. Not weird at all. Ooh, I'm already shaking. Ooh.
So I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was really fun to film. I'm glad the microphone worked. I had a look last night at the footage and I'm really glad it worked. I definitely need to get better at editing the sound so it doesn't sound as like tingy, if it makes sense, but yeah, I'll figure it out. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, if you have any suggestions or anything like that in terms of vlogging at the gym or what you like to see, then please let me know in the comment section below, because I really want to do it again, even though I did feel like a crazy person, really crazy person talking to myself. But yeah, I really enjoyed it, so I hope you did as well. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a like to this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the bell notification on so you know when I upload, and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!